Hi, Facebook and Instagram.
Hi, Facebook.
We're on both. Thank you. Welcome to Tuesdays with Gail. I am here with an expert in tax returns, Miss Bonnie here. We are in the Greens Point business section area, but as Bonnie was saying, there are 8 other locations.
8 other locations, north, south side of town. We also have outside of Texas, so we prepare for clients all over the U.S., including Puerto Rico.
Wonderful. Okay, so if y'all have any questions, you are more than welcome to ask away, and I'll be looking periodically to see anything that comes up. Whenever I post this, if you have any questions, we'll be looking afterwards. I'll be posting it on Facebook, and then Instagram, it'll stay on 24 hours. I'll connect Bonnie's information to the Facebook feed, but to get into it, this has to do with taxes. And so what are some services you provide?
So, of course, tax preparation. Also, we provide credit repair. We also provide small business needs as far as you need help issuing your 1099s or any type of business or expense statements that you may need as well. We also provide legal assurance with protection for traveling as well, travel insurance. We also offer a program where if you, in terms you do have issues requesting certain documents that you may have lost in the past, where we can help you and assist you in finding those.
Nice. I've used Bonnie this year for my tax returns, and she's also helped my client get some paperwork together for a loan that the lender needed. So it's very valuable resources she provides. So many, those are just a few.
Yes, so many.
Okay, so just real quick, so you know how knowledgeable and how much of an expert Bonnie is, what are some helpful tax hints you can give us? Not too many, just enough to kind of...
I have a whole list here.
Yes.
I would definitely, I like to recommend that people try to keep track of their expenses, through an app, if you can, throughout the year. That way, when tax season does come around, you kind of have everything already laid out, and let's say, and that's preferably for business owners, and let's say not even business owners, there's the other things you can look at as far as your charitable donations, medical and dental fees that you may have paid throughout the year, your home equity loans, gambling losses, real estate, personal property taxes, state and local, of course, job hunting expenses is sometimes overlooked, moving expenses, as well as alimony and your HSA donations as well.
Nice. And if you want more hints or any clarification on the list she gave, just ask her or me through here on our live feeds. What are some common misconceptions?
Common misconceptions. Well, let's say, filing with the last pay stub. Very common. We were able to do that. As of the past few years, we are not. You still have a lot of clients that are like, oh, I worked over here. I do have a last pay stub. I don't have my W-2. That W-2 is very important. It is a must. It is a must. So, and if you don't have, you don't have that document, the W-2 or 1099, whichever it is, any type of income reported to your social, you'll be able to get when you go onto the IRS website and request a transfer for that year.
Good to know. Now, just personally me, I do not do anything quarterly. I do it at the end of the year. Is that okay or not?
It's really up to you. Some people can handle, just getting it all done at the end of the year. Some people don't keep track throughout the year, so they have no choice. And then some, I think, when you get into a larger scale of things, I would go quarterly to help keep it under wraps. That way you won't, something you could have fixed by the end of the year, you'll catch.
Yeah, I've noticed that when I wait to the end of the year. And what sets you apart from other competitors in the tax return business?
I would say our customer service. We take, very good care of our clients. We like to listen to your needs, and a lot of those things that they wanted from us, was to be more remote, being able to access us through an app, a website, indirectly 24-hour hotline, things that we incorporated this past year into the business. And we also, like I said, the additional services that we have. And when filing your tax return, we also give you audit protection, which covers you for 3 years in case you're ever audited. It'll be no out-of-pocket cost to you. You get a letter in the mail, you contact us, we file it like you would any other insurance claim. And that's a big stress relief for most people, because sometimes getting that letter in the mail from the IRS is scary. No one understands what it says, and they just try to throw it away.
I ignore it. And then I call Bonnie, and I'm like, I don't know what's going on, but I guess.
Right.
And then I guess a range of cost of your services.
Well, that one's a pretty wide span. We start anywhere from $20, you know, requesting certain statements, or notary services, and of course we'll grow from there depending on, you know, what tax preparation needs that you have. You know, some people do have business returns in addition, so those prices vary. And we also have a program that we like to assist people that may need to file. They're not going to get a refund. They owe the IRS, but they're not in the position currently to pay for the services. So we have a referral program where you can refer a friend in place of your fees.
Nice. Wonderful. Well, thank y'all for joining. If you have any questions about anything that we've gone over, tax return questions, if you own your own business and you're needing some guidance and help, I always need guidance and help. So she is true communication. They do, you know, have that, and they do contact you back as soon as possible with any questions you have. But just ask away on my Facebook or Instagram page. If you know of anyone that's looking for tax help, just forward this video over to them. Again, Bonnie, what's the best way to contact you? Email, website?
Email Bonnie@integritytaxservice.com. Facebook, Bonnie Yoakum. You can message me, you can text me. I'll post a picture of my business card as well. So every way.
Okay, and I'll include that in when I finish posting this. And she saved me money this year, and I've had to pay every single year being self-employed. And so I would definitely encourage anyone who's needing help with their taxes or anything having to do with that, use Bonnie. Definitely worth it and does help a lot. So with that said, y'all have a wonderful Tuesday. Thank you, Facebook, for joining.
Bye, guys.
Have a great day.